to Forex Rebels. Today we'll be analyzing Euro GBP and Gbpjpy. So before you get into the video, hit the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so you're on the daily time frame on Euro GBP. So I'll just zoom on my chart. So it's been a while. I was not analyzing. Did not analyze Euro GBP. It's been a while. So but if you look at this pair, it's quite a bit volatile. But you're going to focus around this area right over here because that's where the market is at. But firstly, start by identifying the levels so you can know where the market will take breaks and where the market will change its direction. Okay, so I'll just start by laying out the levels that I'm seeing on the market, starting with this level right over here. That's the first level that I saw. So just change the color to gray so I can make sure that my charts are as clean as possible. Okay, this is the first level that I'm seeing. So I know there are some levels right over here, but for now we're going to focus on this level here, not this one right over here, because I'm trying to keep my chart as clean as possible. So I'm not gonna mark out this level for now. Let me just remove it actually. Okay, so let us cater for the upper side. This is our highest level, so I'm just going to ignore it and I'm going to mark this level right over here. Let me see. You can see this level is quite significant, as it is significant around this area here. So I'll keep on adding more levels. So by the looks of things, we have a beautiful what you call it, is it a resistance level and our support level right over here. So I'm going to take my time analyzing this pair, guys. So let's just make this one right over here. Is it here? Wait, I'll just zoom a little bit. Let's cater for it here. Okay, so and this is our lowest level. Okay, let's go. I'll just remove it. So by the looks of things on this pair, we just started from this point over here and went to the upper side and created the highest high, and we went back inside the trend line. So we're going to focus around this area here. So since when we see this touch right over here and we see the market is pushing to the lower side, seems like the market is going to push up until right over here. But I feel like there's a little bit of level around this area here or here. So I'll just zoom out a little bit so I can confirm actually. That's where the market is at right now. Let me see. It'll make it easier for me to cater for the levels. So you can see on this blue line, the market is expected this level right over here. So what I'm trying to figure out is what happens when the market touches this area here. So it touches this area here, retested, then okay. So it just do some retest and continue. So as you can see, just bounce off here. Okay, that's all I've wanted to see. I'm not gonna, let me mark it as well, so we are not missing anything here. But seems like this level here seems like a zone, but we'll just find more levels as we move to the lower time frame. So you're going to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so all right, you can see the market has been playing a lot inside this pattern, but you're just going to focus around this area right over here. But if we need to go back, we'll go back. So lowest low here. So look at this, guys. You can see he had a beautiful trend line right over here on the 4-hour time frame. So you're not going to cater for the 15 minutes time frame, which is this one right over here. As you can see, it did broke out. So we're going to focus on the 4-hour time frame line right over here. So you can see it our first touch, second touch, and our third touch we did breakout and did a retest and went to the lower side. So the high so since when we did breakout, there's a high possibility that the market could just push to the lower side. So this is the Eurgbp. Okay, this is what you have. All right, all right, all right. Wait guys, I feel like I'm making a mistake. So we have this beautiful pattern right over here. Okay, so but if I do close starting from this point right over here, since when we did break out this point, so this trend line is quite useless for us. So starting from this point here, I can see a downward trend. The reason why I'm catering for a downward trend, guys, is because let me change this one to the dotted line. It is because let me just remove it, guys. It's confusing me. Yeah, this one makes more sense. So the reason why I'm catering for downward trend is because the market is moving to lower side. So this means the market has changed its direction. But now, guys, if you look closely, we have a wedge. So when you're inside the wedge, as long as we're inside the wedge, we are buying. And this level right over here tells us we just bounce here and push it up a side. So the possible direction for Eurgbp is from this point right over here up until this area here. I won't say here because it's quite a bit fast, so we can just cater up until this area here. But this is a possible direction for Eurgbp as it is an open wedge. So, and by the looks of things, we did break out of this level here. So this level, we could just use it to master or take profit as we enter. We are going to, let's say, as long as inside this pattern, I could just say we are still overall take profit is just here on the touch of that thingy trend line. But so our first take profit will be right over here, second take profit here, and overall take profit right over there. So our stop loss will just let me see guys, let me see. Yeah, let's just extend it to be on the safer side. So this is how we should trade Euro GBP. So let us move to GBP JPY. Okay, so now we are on GBP JPY. So we're on the daily time frame. The reason I'm analyzing this pair today is because I've realized GBP JPY tends to move 1,000 points to the lower side or 1,000 points to the upper side. I've been monitoring it for quite a while, and if you this pair moves, guys, this pair makes massive moves, as you can see by the candlesticks here. So I've created for my support and resistance level right over there. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this a little bit quick as our first analysis took a bit a while. So I'm trying by almost so the video must not jump the 15 minutes time zone. So this is how support resistance mid range. Hope you get that. So I'll just wait, let me see. Bear in mind guys, when I'm analyzing this, I did not prepare this. I'm just looking at the market and drawing what I'm seeing. Okay, so I'm doing this on the daily time frame, so which is quite difficult. I'll just move to the 4-hour time frame. Also on this thing, I'm kind of seeing by momentum. As you can see, the trend line that they've drawn. So if I'm trying to cater for that point right over there, I could just put it right over here. Or if you're catering for this one, we could put it right over here. So this one is more accurate actually. So first touch, second touch, third touch on the lower side, you're pushing to the upper side. So and we are on this level right over here. So On this one, by the looks of things, as this one is respected, you're looking for the buyers. As long as we break out of this level here, let me just cater this zone, actually not level, the zone. You could say if we close above it on the 4-hour time frame, we are buying. Yeah, we keep on with the buyers. So, but this one is quite a very risky trade because, as you can see, the market left us. So yeah, and if we try to look closely here, you can see we had a beautiful trend line right over here. Just use the line, and so we are going to buy the moment we break out of this pattern right over here. Bear in mind, the moment we break out of this pattern, just follow the rules, guys, please. So yeah, I think that's enough for today's analysis. So yeah, our stop loss is quite alright over there because there's a possibility that the market could just hit it. So this is our overall take profit, guys. So this is a quite a risky trade, but it's worth it actually. So yeah. So let me see, guys. Let me see. So there's a lot of breakouts here. All right, nothing much is going on here, guys. But this is the signal you should take. You're going for the buyers. So that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.